President, Operations Manager, and one of the mechanical engineers here at Thomas Machine Foundry. Over the past months, you've seen us share a number of videos from our foundry, machine shop, and some of the products that we make. I thought we'd take a step back today and share a little bit more about what we really do. Here at Thomas Machine Foundry, we call ourselves a contract manufacturer. Over the past 60 years, we've helped bring to life more than 2,000 different components for a number of different industries. Behind me is just a small sample of those parts.
From food processing equipment and industrial lighting to medical devices, marine hardware, and electrical enclosures, our castings can be found in a wide variety of industries and applications. Many customers come to us with an idea, a drawing, or an existing part. Our team provides design assistance and manufacturing guidance to help optimize components for casting, machining, performance, and cost. At Thomas Machine Foundry, we offer a complete range of casting, machining, and finishing services designed to take your project from concept to finished product. Our casting capabilities include manual green sand molding, automatic molding, permanent mold casting, and no-bake molding processes. We also produce shell cores, CO2 cores, and no-bake cores in-house, allowing us to manufacture everything from simple components to complex castings with intricate internal features. Once castings are produced, they move through a variety of finishing operations, including cutting, grinding, sanding, straightening, welding, and abrasive blasting processes to prepare them for machining or final delivery. Our machine shop features manual equipment, CNC machining centers, 3-axis and 4-axis machining capabilities, and a live 4th-axis horizontal machining center, allowing us to produce precision components with tight tolerances and consistent quality. To support production, we utilize CAD/CAM programming, dimensional inspections, first article inspections, and material certifications to ensure parts meet the customer's requirements. We also design and build our own patterns, core boxes, and gating systems in-house. Keeping the tooling development under one roof helps us maintain accuracy, shorten lead times, and control costs while ensuring every project is set up for successful production from the start. Beyond machining, we offer assembly, kitting, packaging, and a variety of finishing options, including heat treating, powder coating, painting, anodizing, and silk screening through our trusted network of partners. Many customers come to us looking for ways to improve manufacturability and reduce costs. One of the common solutions we provide is converting fabricated weldments into castings, reducing part count, improving consistency, and simplifying production. We work with a variety of aluminum, brass, and bronze alloys, supporting customers across marine, industrial, medical, electrical, food processing, and commercial applications. In addition to our contract manufacturing services, we also produce our own line of proprietary marine hardware through Fraser Marine Products. Designed for the commercial marine industry, these products are built for the strength, durability, and reliability that commercial fishermen and marine operators depend on daily. Whether you need a raw casting, a fully machined component, a finished assembly, prototype quantities, scheduled production releases, or a complete domestic manufacturing solution, our team has the experience and capabilities to support your project from concept to production.
Whether you have a new product you're developing, a part that's becoming too expensive to manufacture, or simply need help finding a better solution, we're here to help.